Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup from canned tomato sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 15-ounce cans of plain tomato sauce, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth, olive oil, heavy cream, a pinch of sugar, salt, and black pepper on hand. This simple list ensures a flavorful base. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour in the 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This helps to balance the acidity of the tomatoes and enhances their natural sweetness. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, let's finish our delicious soup. Carefully blend the soup using an immersion blender or a regular blender until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream for a rich, velvety texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve your homemade tomato soup hot, perhaps with a grilled cheese sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.